Alright. Was alright. So we're gonna go camping on the Ninja 400. This is my sick ass setup. I don't know how I pulled it off, but it's a really nice setup. I got two soft bags, one duffel bag. This is the 66 liter one. These are 18 liter, 15 liter tank bag. This tank bag, I love it. I love the setup, but look at this. I'm riding on prayers and oops. Bro, look at this clearance. It's crazy. And yeah, I got this back. So I'm really hyped. I'm nervous as shit because I don't know how this is gonna pack
Bro, damn.
out for me. How this is gonna look. Get onto some problems, but I don't want to think about it. I want to enjoy this journey. My plan is to go to Luxembourg first, to Vianden, and then from there I want to look if it's dark or not. If it's too dark, I will try to camp in the Black Forest in Deutschland. So I will go from Luxembourg to Deutschland and then hopefully to Switzerland. I have a drone bought specially for this trip. I wouldn't buy it if I didn't do this trip. The drone is in here. It's a really good drone, so I'm gonna hope to get a sick footage with that drone. So I'm really hyped. Let's go. What was that? Misfire? Why does my Ninja do that? My Ninja does that occasionally. But this is the sound of my sexy ass bike. I would stick it in, but no, pause. I wouldn't. She is 3 years old. Pause again. The construction year is 2022. So they're making love out there. But yeah, let's see, man. We're gonna go. I'm not too long into this trip. It's not been too long. Oh yeah, and not to forget, this is especially not a normal trip. This is a motocamping trip. Yeah, you heard it right, a motocamping trip on the Ninja 400. So I literally have a tent. That's crazy, bro. I'm hyped for this experience. This is my first time camping with the motorcycle, and especially on a sport bike. And you can say this is a tour/sport bike. Because it says so on the legal card. So the only big issue is my butt. I get a lot of pain when I ride for a long time, for a long period of time. About 30 or 40 minutes, I think, and my butt's going to hurt. But doesn't matter because I didn't want to buy a touring bike, especially for this trip. It was too much hassle, too much time and money. Maybe I will sell this one and get a tour bike instead, because if I do a lot of these trips, yeah, it's worth it to upgrade it to the touring bike, or to sell this one and to buy the touring bike instead. So I'm really hyped. Also hyped about the touring bike. I will see which one, like a Honda CD 500X maybe. That one is really nice. So now we go to Luxembourg and yeah, enjoy. Oh, look at this peak setup, man. I fixed it so nicely. Because the luggage options on a sport bike are limited, of course. You can't put the panniers, side panniers, top keys, hard side keys. You can't put those things on a bike like this. You're very limited on luggage, so you have to make sacrifices on the things you want to take with you. So this is my first time, and I will see with the luggage and the setup. What will I optimize? What will I do better? What will I get rid of? And I can do a setup video if you guys want. If some of you want it, I can do a tour guide for my setup, how I did it, how I put it on the bike and strapped it on the bike, because it is quite safe, but my worries are the side bags, the soft panniers, the soft bags, because the right one is almost touching the exhaust, bro. Like it's like this of a clearance, bro. Is that big? Okay, no, pause. It's pretty big. Okay, no. But if you think about okay. We will just ride. Hope it won't be raining for the next few days. It says it is pretty sunny, so I'm cooked if it's gonna rain. But I have a nice jacket. I have raining pants that I bought with integrated shoe protection, so it goes over the shoe, so my feet can stay dry. I don't know what to say. This is like my first vlog. I'm nervous as shit. I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna be fun. I hope it is gonna be. I want to edit into a nice little vlog. I want to make drone shots, bro. I'm just gonna enjoy it, and I'm blessed. I'm blessed that I can do this to the one and only God, the God above us. I'm blessed to do this, bro. Some people are struggling to even put bread on the table, and I'm able to do this. I'm very thankful for that, and you should be thankful for what you have. It doesn't matter if you don't have this Ninja 400, or if you want this Ninja 400. Be grateful for what you have, and it may not be much, but just be grateful. Grateful brings you very far in life, very far. Like, bro, compare myself to the children that are in war, or people that are born in unfortunate situations. Like, damn, I can tell, bro. Damn. Hello. Yeah. Blessed. Alhamdulillah. And I don't care if you're Christian, Jew, or whatever, bro. If you have respect for my religion, I have respect for yours. It don't matter to me. Even if you're the member of the premium LGBTQ plus premium rainbow, it doesn't matter, bro. If you have respect, I have respect for you. So for all the people, for all my Christians, shout out to you guys. Shout out to everyone. I hope to make some sick shots in Switzerland. I'm really looking forward to that. I don't know if I can camp. I understood that you can camp above the tree level in Switzerland. That's like 2,000 meters. So if you're above that, you can camp for one night. If you're under that, you can't camp, and it's illegal. But we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna even survive this one, bro. We'll see, bro. Like, damn, we'll see. Don't worry about all the things, bro. And if you don't like me screaming, bro, put your volume down, because I can scream quite compulsively. In Deutschland it's illegal, I think, but they say you can camp for one night and it's no big deal. But also, I'm not sure. In Europe itself, camping is pretty, officially it's illegal. But they say if you do it respectfully, if you don't attract attention, if you don't do crazy things, like set up a campfire, that will be sick though. Oh shit! I forgot my lighter! Okay, but so yeah, I'm gonna see. I will try to camp in the Black Forest. And if that doesn't go successful, yeah, we'll see, bro. I don't know. It's now 2:30 a.m. p.m. I mean, sorry, and the sun goes down at like 8, 9, I think. So we have plenty of time, but we need to organize our time carefully and like plan the stoppings carefully. But I don't want to stress about, oh, I need time, I need to haste to the next location, bro. Then you're not enjoying the trip. Like, damn, bro, chill out. You're not enjoying the trip if you're going to, oh, this is this stress, oh no, I need to go to the next location, oh, this and that. And of course, bro, I'm a little bit OCD, so package this perfect, so fix the perfect setup. But I'm trying to learn to minimize that stress that I have. Oh, how is this gonna work out? Oh, what do I do when this happens? I just pack these things and I will see what happens, bro. This experience in itself is crazy. I'm going on a trip far out from my home. I'm hyped, I'm nervous. I don't know, bro. I have a lot of emotions that are in me right now. Pause. Yeah, if you're watching this, if you're enjoying this, let me know, please, because I can make more videos of these. I can try to make ASMR videos, because I'm gonna do this anyway. If I'm not gonna make a video or a vid video, it doesn't matter. I want to take these trips specifically for the reason that day-to-day life is fucking boring. You wake up, and of course it's not like depressing, or to say in a sense that it is depressing that you can wake up in a home with a roof over your head, with food, and etc, etc, etc. No, that's not my point. When we like our grandparents, the grandfathers, you know, those people, I think the battle they needed to face, the hardest battle was like physical, like going to war, like our primal ancestors, you know, like hunting, building shelter, mating. But I think that war was then physically. The war now is spiritually, and that's my honest belief on that perspective, on the mindset that this era we live in is, I say, 90% and above spiritual. It's all up here, it's all up in your brain, all in your head. Because the most people are really good. They have good resources, money, food, you name it. And of course there are people that aren't as blessed as the general people. Of course, I can't speak for them, and I feel bad for them, but for the general people, bro, like, you have a roof, you have food, you don't have to worry about the primary resources, the primary needs, you know? So I made a whole story just to tell you that, but my point was to enjoy this journey, be with yourself. This is a solo moto camping trip, so I don't have to deal with bullshit with other stuff. I'm just gonna go enjoy it myself, come just bond with nature, bond with myself, bro. And of course other people like to go with a whole group. That too, I also will like that, but with a trip this long and camping, you don't know if your friends want to camp or not, and what are their needs, what do they want, when do they want to stop, you know? It's like, bro, I'm gonna go myself, I'm gonna enjoy it. And I'm not that type of person. I'm more introverted, I would say, more myself, so we'll see. But I need to open myself to social interactions with other people, like have fun, relax a little, you know. And I can get into deeper stuff, but I don't know if you want that, but let me know. My initial thought was that I would put a mic in my helmet and talk about mental shit, like mental health, like spiritual things, like philosophical things. Not that I'm a saint, bro, I'm not a saint, but oh damn! Just shut up and wait. No. Wait. I need to get this footage, bro. Get out of the way, bro. Yeah, damn. Okay, we're going to the nice places, I think, slowly. Is my luggage still there? Yeah, okay. My luggage is still there. I'm also curious for how Luxembourg looks. I heard that there were some sick ass castles, like on the back roads. I don't know, I will see. I don't know, this is fun. Like the normal videos I made were like me riding without talking or without yapping. I just thought, why not buy a mic and put it in my helmet and just yap in the helmet? Even if this content helps no one or no one watches, I don't care, bro. I like it, it's fun. So yeah, just I'm gonna yap Yep, look what the limousine. I have been to Switzerland one time before this, and I can say, bro, Switzerland is really sick. Like those mountains, the scenery there, bro. Like, you know, the Alp mountains. We have Slovenia, Switzerland, Ostrich, I think. I don't know if I said it correctly. Ostrich, Italy, and maybe if I have time, if this goes well, I will visit the Dolomites. The Dolomites, I have seen footage on YouTube. Yeah, those mountains. It's up north in Italy. Dolomites. So maybe I'm gonna visit that. I don't know. Bro, maybe I will turn back home. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. Maybe I will turn back home because this trip is not going well or something. You know? Oh my god, there was a BMS. Like, bro, a touring bike would really be perfect for this. A touring bike, bro. Oh, but it is doable. Like, I'm comfortable right now, and the footage is pretty dark now, I think. But I'm in a tunnel right now, so don't worry. I will be out of the tunnel soon. Like, this is the sunglass for my camera. I'm in the tunnel. I'm gonna put the ND filter back on. I don't want to lose that. And there we go. We have light again. And honestly, let me know if this setup is great, like the gear-wise, camera, mic. What do you like? Do you like it or not? Is the quality good? Because the mic I'm using right now is the DJI Mic Mini, and the normal mic doesn't fit in my helmet, so yeah, this is a perfect solution. I can't even turn noise cancelling on, but I don't know if I want to turn it on. Maybe I'm gonna shut up for a bit and drive, enjoy. Okay, now my ass. Damn, my ass! My ass is beginning to hurt a little. And your feet, your legs are like cramped a bit, so that's also uncomfortable on this bike. On the touring bikes, like you're like sitting on a sofa. It's comfortable as shit. I even rode in the back of a NC700X Honda. Bro, it was like a sofa. Those bikes are really comfortable. I'm cruising now at 100 kilometers an hour, so it's okay. It's nothing too bad. The wind protection is more aerodynamic. Like, these bikes are made to cut through the wind. Like naked bikes, you catch the wind, or because you don't have a pointy forward. Bro, I'm yapping. Wait, just let me enjoy this scenery. I'm not even at the big stuff yet.
وحدك لا شريك لك الله